to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I am so excited to share this video with you. First of all, it's a backdrop, and second of all, it's going to involve some balloons. I love balloons. You can do so much with balloons, and a few balloons can transform your room into something totally different and something totally beautiful. Just a few balloons, but it will be gorgeous. I always had a question. How can I buy or get my pre-filled confetti balloons, blow them up, and get those confetti stick to my balloon? I never had a luck with any of the balloons with confettis until I used this method. If you want to see what I'm going to be using, how I'm going to be doing this, then stay tuned and let's get to it. Let's run quickly through all of the supplies that you would need for this backdrop. First things first, I will be using this pack of balloons from Shimmer and Confetti. This pack comes with 15 balloons, 5 jumbo already pre-filled with confetti balloons, and jumbo, it's a jumbo. It's a beautiful big balloon already pre-filled with confettis. Awesome. Comes with 5 small balloons already pre-filled with confetti and 5 balloons, colored balloons, and also this string that is already included in the pack, and it will match your balloons, colored balloons. What can be better, right? You would need a measuring tape, rubber band, high float, and a tank of pure helium. Why pure? I will explain in a second. I want to start with the jumbo balloon because I'm particularly excited for you guys to see how beautiful this balloon looks. So all you do is you shake all of your confettis to the bottom of your balloon, as close as possible to the bottom. Get your rubber band, tie your rubber band around your confettis. That will prevent high flow to get into confettis and basically ruin the confettis. Get your high float, and for your jumbo balloons, I would recommend 2 pumps. Be careful, don't touch the neck of your balloon. Squirt 2 pumps, as I did just now, of high float. Remove your balloon and work your high float. Massage it into your balloon all over to make sure it has that sticky base for your confettis to stick all the way around your balloon. I think it looks pretty good. Everything is worked into the balloon. Now let's move to our helium. To get a better result out of your balloon, you need to use pure helium. And pure helium can cause your balloon to float lopsided or not float at all, or just basically no float for a couple of hours and that's it, and your balloons will die. That's why it's important to use pure helium. Also, what will high float do to your balloon? High float will ensure for your confettis to stick to your balloon, and also it will help your balloon to float longer. So that's why I'm using high float for my shimmer and confetti balloons. Let's fill my balloon to 36 inches, which is so exciting. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my measuring tape and lay down on my floor and kind of measure and see if it's at 36 inches. Or you can do what I've done here. That's why I have 2 chairs behind me at 36 inches wide. And I think I will be using these 2 chairs as a guide for my balloon. So now, remove your rubber band right before filling with helium. And when you're going to be filling your balloon with helium, twist, kind of play with the balloon to make sure all of the confettis spread evenly and nicely throughout the whole balloon. So I'm really excited. Let's do this. Of my balloon and checking if it's at 36 inches. Just a little bit more and I am done with this jumbo balloon. Isn't it beautiful? Right in between my chairs, it's perfect. You guys, it's very important to inflate your jumbo balloons to the 36-inch size, because under inflating your balloon, it will cause for your balloon to basically not float, or it will float lopsided, and you don't want that. To make sure this balloon is inflated to 36 inches, make a mark, do what I did, lay your measuring tape on the floor, grab 2 chairs, fit in between your chairs. I mean, do something to ensure that you inflate these jumbo balloons to 36 inches. Very important. When you inflate your balloons to the right size, this latex will become clear. Usually these balloons come in like a creamy or whitish color, but when you inflate to the right size, it will become clear and it will be beautiful. Also, these balloons are made out of premium latex, very stretchy, very nice, great quality. All right, let's tie this big boy up and move on to our other balloons. One more thing I didn't mention, that this balloon will take 14 cubic feet of helium into itself. Pretty big balloon. I like to tie a knot like I usually do for every single balloon that I blow. It doesn't matter with air or helium. And I will add that pretty matching string that I have from this pack, and we will be ready to move on to our smaller balloons. Our balloon is ready and I'm so excited. First of all, it's so huge. Second of all, it's very pretty. And third, all of my confettis are all over the balloon, and I am not struggling by having all of the confettis at the bottom. They're all over, and that what makes this balloon so beautiful. And for your smaller balloon, you do exactly the same what you did with your jumbo balloons. The only difference is less, have a pump of high float and just a smaller size balloons. The same thing, put all of your confettis at the bottom, put your rubber band underneath, or to do or make a barrier between high float and your confettis. Fill your balloon with half a pump of high float. Work your high float in to your balloon all over. Remove your rubber band and inflate your balloon with the helium. Pretty, that looks perfect. I'm tying a knot. And adding this beautiful ribbon. There we go. have for you guys today. Look how beautiful this set of balloons look against my backdrop. It is a showstopper and I love these balloons a lot. I ended up using 2 weights to hold the jumbo balloons over here and 1 weight for my smaller balloons. I don't have every single balloon over here, but you guys, this is gorgeous. Even though I don't have every single balloon on display here, I will link a link for these balloons in my description below if you're interested in purchasing and looking through the website at Shimmer and Confetti. I will play with uplighting and show you a few more pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it, my beautiful Shimmer and Confetti balloon backdrop. If you love these balloons and you want to purchase some for yourself, then I will link their website in the description down below, so go ahead and check it out. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.